You are rude and fat.
Look at your circles first before you talk to me.
Don't spit on me.
I'm not spitting.
You are. Saliva is coming. Don't talk to me. Go away, you fat cow. Go eat your chicken.
Go away.
Please don't discriminate me. I should call you out when you are fat. It's not discrimination.
Can you please shut up?
Can you please get lost?
I don't get lost. You don't care. If you wanted to move, then you move.
I can't. You're still in the way. The fat woman is in the middle.
I think you change your place. Duh.
Oh, the Jollibee chicken. Wonder why you're fat.
You don't care. Maybe you don't have the money to buy Jollibee chicken.
No, I don't.
That's why.
I don't work here as a domestic helper like most of you.
Excuse me, I'm not a domestic helper.
I said like
And
most
whatever.
of you. Do you
Whatever.
understand English? I
Of
said like
course.
most of you. I didn't say you particularly.
Oh,
Oh, you have no answer. You don't know how to
you don't
answer.
also have the right to discriminate against domestic helpers.
I'm not domesticating them.
I
I'm
don't
saying
care.
most of them
I
here
don't
are DH, and therefore that's the truth. The fact is you're fat. The fact is most Filipinos here are domestic helpers.
And is there anything wrong with
There's
Filipinos
nothing wrong
being
with that,
domestic
but
helpers
it's the
here?
truth.
We
It's the
have a lot
truth.
of Filipinos here.
It's the truth. There's nothing wrong with them, but it's the truth.
Really?
Yeah. Most of them are here as DH.
And at least they're doing a proper
There's nothing
job.
wrong with
And
that.
that's a
Yeah.
decent job.
So why do you need to bring being a domestic helper here?
Because she can't understand my question. I said that most people here from the Philippines
No.
are here.
No,
as
you
domestic
keep
helpers.
the thing is you keep on talking shit about Filipinos. Not every Filipino is
I'm not
like
a DH here, you know.
a lot of Filipinos here are educated.
Look at the newspaper article in the South China Morning Post. The immigration officer
We
in
don't
Hong Kong
care.
at the airport asked the Filipino who came in, "Are you a prostitute or a domestic helper?" Everybody knows they're
Whatever.
A or B. Okay.
Then
Then, so you're pretending if we are not DH,
so
we're
what is that?
prostitutes.
You're saying that you're not
Are you
discriminating Filipinos,
I don't
but
give
what
a
are you
shit.
saying?
Talk to the newspaper. They're already saying that.
No, talk to
It doesn't
yourself.
bother me. I'm not a Filipino.
Oh
If you're not
really?
bothered, why you keep on talking?
You are the one who keeps bringing
up, I
shit
don't need
about
to- No,
like
you-
Filipinos.
I've left you. Now you've got 2 spaces for your fat bum. Now shut up.
You keep on talking, you know. You shut up.
I have a bloody fat Filipina next to me with 2 packs of Jollibee chicken who keeps on barking at me. I told her the truth. A, she is fat. B, most of them are here as domestic helpers. And this is the truth. I'm not even making up lies. There's nothing wrong with being fat, and there's nothing wrong with being a domestic helper. With being fat, if you're taking up some of someone's space, then there is an issue. And being a domestic helper, there isn't any issue. I don't know why these people are talking. We don't come here and throw ourselves at white men like most of these Filipinos do. We earn our own money. We make our own way in life. We're not like them. We're not domestic helpers. We are not prostitutes. We don't hang around one child like they do. We're all here, born here, educated here, studied here.
So you are saying that I'm not
I don't
a
even know
resident
why-
here.
I'm not even talking to this person. I don't even know why she's talking to me. She carries on. 99% of them are not even resident here. 95% of them are domestic helpers.
Kinukuhanan ko siya,
Look
tapos
at
mo
the
mamaya.
statistics. You can't even tell the truth. If you can't tell the truth, why should you lie? Why am I going to lie and say most of them are here as residents? It's not really true.
Kanina ko.
Kanina pa yan, te.
Bastos yan. Kanina pa eh.
Nag-discriminate kanina pa eh. Tignan mo yung space ko, te. Ang bastos, kanina pa.
No, I'm gonna talk to mom. I'm gonna talk to mom.
Yeah, go and stuff your face with the chicken. That's what I
Te, kakausapin ko si mama na kausapin yung abogado.
Yeah.
Hayaan mo na lang siya, kinuhanan ko siya. Kinukuhanan ko siya. May kaibigan tayong abogado, te.
And there's a lot of children here, look.
Halata naman kung sino yung uneducated dito.
Uneducated. He's saying that, yun na nga, te,
The thing
ang
is-
bastos niya. So what kung madaming DH dito, di ba? Ano ngayon?
Eh, sila nga,
Legal
anong
na
tingin sa
trabaho
kanila
yun.
dito?
Okay, they do wear that.
Bastos na.
Immigrant nga tingin sa kanila dito.
All the Chinese, we know that they are helpless. All the Chinese tell me they are the helpless. It's not even I who say that.
Well,
They say-
I'm not an helper. She's not an
Can you stop
helper.
interrupting my conversation? I'm not even talking to you, bitch. I don't know why the bitch keeps interfering in my conversation.
Ang daming problema sa mundo, te.
She keeps
Nakaka-stress.
putting a saliva on her. There's so much chicken in her
Siya nga
face.
tong kanina pang nagdudura dito.
Kaya nga. Na-high blood ka din, te. Dinamay niya lahat, no? Ang bastos. Kaya nga eh.
I'm sure the smell of chicken permeates through the whole compartment of the train.
Buksan mo, asarin mo.
Te, tumatawa yung alaga ko, te.
Where did they hire her from? Don't even sign a contract with another Filipina. I don't know why. They just,
Oo, iyak ka sa nanay mo. Oo.
just kind of shame them. They just want to work here and then they just don't know anything.
You wanna sit down? You okay?
Baka inggit siya, te, hindi kasi siya pwede kumain ng ganyan.
Ako. So sad naman, te.